Hi, my name is Naomi, and I'm the creator of 2 and or 4, who makes handmade products for your 2-legged loved ones and your 4-legged loved ones. Today's project is going to be some biker shorts. I'm not going to be using them for biking, though I do like to bike ride. But I wear skirts and dresses in the summer, but I sometimes forget that I have a skirt or a dress on. So I want something that's going to go underneath. And this pattern has very straight lines, no embellishments, which is what you want when you're going to wear it underneath so that it doesn't quite show through. And basically, it's kind of going to be underwear over my underwear. All right, so I printed out the pattern pieces and I'm going to put it together. So this pattern is very good about giving you clues as to which goes with which. They have not only numbers for the vertical, but they have letters to match on the horizontal. For example, these two have D's so that you know they go together. So what I'm going to do is I've already cut off the bottom, so it's going to go here. But usually I like to work my way across and then I'll work my way down. But I will be doing the cutting so that I'm ready to do the vertical. So all I do is decide which side I'm going to cut, and I've decided this side's going to overlap onto this side. So I'm going to cut this for my horizontal, and I'm going to overlap the top going down. So I'm also going to cut off my bottom here. Okay. And I'll do that for the next page too. So I'll cut my vertical one. And I'll cut my horizontal one. All right. And then I can tape this set together. So I'll tape this set together. I'll move that up. Move that up. So I'm working with my first row, and I'm going to match. This has the letter D on both sides and a little triangle. I'm going to match so that my D's match up and it forms a diamond. And I'm going to put a piece of tape in the middle, and then I will put a piece of tape, and I'm just making sure to butt up the lines well. All right, and then I'll do the same for the third piece. Okay, and then I'm going to put that one aside, and then I'm going to do my second set. So again, nope, almost cut the wrong side. right? All right. And now I'll do my third. Okay. Not going to matter. The bottom edge is not going to matter on this. Just be consistent which edges you're cutting. I'm not bothering with cutting the bottom because when I cut the pattern out, that's going to become irrelevant. All right, put these pieces together. Okay. I'm going to put a piece here because when I cut the pattern out, that edge is going to lift up. All right, so I'm now going to work my way back up. So I'm going to take my third row and my second row, and I'm going to line them up. Yeah, that's better. If it doesn't line up, like in this case, could be either the way it printed, or the way you have it joined. You could try manipulating it a little. If not, when you're working with knits, it's not as important if it's slightly off. Yeah, so I have to make a judgment call. And I think I want this one lined up properly. Nope, it's not lined up properly. Okay. So I'm not going to worry about it too much that it's slightly off. All right. And then you could decide what size you're cutting out and go ahead and cut it out. So that was part one of making these biking shorts. Ultimately, here are the biking shorts. I'm not sure if there's going to be 3 parts to this video or 4 parts. The next part will be where I have to actually adjust the rise of the pattern because it's too long for me. And then after that, we'll cut the pattern out. So if you liked this video and you would like to see more content like this, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, I'd appreciate if you would subscribe. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you.